Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing. And if you're a return viewer, thank you so much for your guys' love and support. It means the world to me. Keep it coming. It makes me feel good. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them below. We're going to be doing a dirty pour, I believe is what it's called. Don't quote me on that. Just going to mix a bunch of paint, pour them in a cup, and then flip it over onto a canvas. So this is my consistency of the paint, so it leaves a little mound and then disappears. And my recipe comes up in just a minute. And I only put silicone in all the colors but the black and white. And I only use 1 drop. Silicone goes a long way, so don't overuse it because you're just going to have a harder time cleaning it before you varnish it. So I will also, if you haven't checked out my description box below, check it out. I got discount codes for ColourArte, Primary Art Pigments. They have amazing pigments for epoxy resin and for any type of art. You can use it for watercolors, acrylic, you name it, they have it all. And I have a resin discount codes below for KS Resin and Counterculture DIY. And I have Amazon links and just different things if you're interested in different things. It's all below. And don't forget to go check out my Facebook and my Instagram and my TikTok. They're all in the description below. All right, guys, I'll let you watch and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for joining. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Um, the biggest keys I can give you with this is my first time doing this, this kind of pour, is slow and steady with tilting, because the faster you tilt, the more your cells go all wonky. So if you want to keep your straight, perfect circle cells, then don't tilt fast or crazy, because it will make your cells go all wonky. That's why the first one I didn't like. This one I like. It has perfect little cells. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions, please leave them below. I'm more than happy to help. There's so many different recipes with this kind of pour to where you can, fiddle with it and figure out what you like on your own, or you can do my recipe. Um, it's all a matter of, different likes and different techniques and different styles. So also, if you don't want a lot of cells, don't torch a lot. That's another key I can give you, or a little tip. um, but yeah, and then don't forget to get your sides all covered, and make sure it's on a flat surface so it can dry without going all wonky and sliding off. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to check out the links below in the description box. Get yourself some coupons. If you want to try any resin, the best resins are the KS resin and Counterculture DIY. They also have other things on their websites. Um, and please consider subscribing and hit that like button if you liked it, and share the video if you want to. It's free and it helps me out a ton. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to come back for more. I post twice a week, and any of my paintings are for sale. Just email me if you are interested in any of them, as long as they're still available. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And till next time, bye for now.